Alright, starting part 2 of the tutorial. Just let you see what I have so far. Let me scroll down. So I'm gonna move my laptop screen up a bit. It messes with the color, but you'll be able to get a clear picture of what we're doing. So I'm working on this arm. I'm gonna finish it off for this part. So now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna zoom out, zoom back out, and get ready to finish this arm piece off. So I'm gonna turn all my layers off except the arm, and I'm gonna put it in outline mode. So that's how it looks without her face there. So I'm gonna put it in outline mode so I can just see the area I'm working on. And I'm gonna zoom in. And another thing I noticed, I'm gonna change the color of this so you can see better. So I'm gonna change it to orange, so it'll show up on the screen. So I think that shows up a lot better. And let me see where I am, so I can continue right there and hit that. So I'm gonna try to get through this pretty quickly. Still gonna take a couple minutes, but we'll try to make it work. And if I seem like I'm rambling when I'm talking, because this takes focus and talking can be distracting, but I'm trying to get it done and talk you through the process so it'll be just easy as possible for anybody watching this video to pick up on it and learn. And if you subscribe, I'll be having more videos about the gradient mesh, different areas of the body like the hair, face. It takes a lot of patience and a lot of time, because you got a lot of different areas like the eye areas and the eye areas and the nose, and so in the mouth especially. Trying to get at least, well, I try to get the nose, the eye sockets, and the mouth on one mesh, so that can get very jumbled up with the lines of the gradient mesh, the outlines. So, but there are tricks to getting around that and keeping it a vector. So I try to piece it up, break it up into different parts, and just show different parts that way, just to make the videos stay within a reasonable length. So as you see, I went ahead and jumped ahead a bit. Just doing the same thing, just clicking on the mesh points, drawing the color from the original photo in outline mode. And I will be done with this piece very shortly. And a few tips to remember: when you bring your photo, when you place it in Illustrator, that should be the only thing on your file so far. Place it, double click on the palettes layer, on the layers palette, and double click on the layers palette and make sure you set it as a template, and that should be the bottom layer always throughout your whole, until you get through using that image. And make sure dim images is checked and have it at 100%. Just a couple tips to remember to get started working on any mesh project. And try not to use the pen tool to shape your mesh. Start with the rectangle tool and place your mesh point right in the middle to start off, and try to make the rectangle shape that you're working with to work whatever piece you're working on. Try to make it the length of the piece that you're working on, and you can shape it from that point. But this right now, I just finished the arm. Let's scroll down so you can get a better view. And what we have here, and that is the meshed arm, just that piece. So let me turn this back off and show you again. This is the piece that I just finished. Going the wrong way. That's the arm just finished. And here are the other pieces that I had. Plus the background. I'm going to zoom out a bit. So this is all I have at the moment. So I still got some work to do, but that's all I'm going to do a tutorial on for now. I hope that helped. And anybody, you can just subscribe to my work, drop me a line to give me pointers for what I can work on for my next tutorial. So until then, good people, have a great day. Take care.